cenla.university.edu.
In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla. In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
No matter the weather, Alexandria Emergency Hospital is always here for you. Rain or shine, our doors are open 24/7 to provide the care you and your loved ones need fast. Every second counts, and Alexandria Emergency Hospital is here to help you through any storm.
Hey, good morning, everyone. There's a look out at Toledo Bend this morning, and it looks beautiful. Blue skies. Once again, we're going to be up in the low 80s for most of us today. So, yes, a prize-winning Saturday if you're headed to the Moon Pie Festival, the Nursery Festival. If you're going to the mall parking lot, I saw some stuff going on there. They had like the Ferris wheel and all that kind of stuff. So, lots of things going on around the area. So, if you are headed out, that's what it looks like. Clear skies, beautiful weather out there, and hardly anyone driving on the streets right now. So traffic nice and calm, nice Saturday morning vibe out there. Here's what's going on. We actually have winter weather advisories. I'd love to be up in the UP right now. The snow blowing down from Lake Superior there. We have some snow out west as well. Nothing doing here yet. We have a system coming in tomorrow. The timing on that's kind of delayed. We'll talk about that in just a second. Here's your Smoothie King temperature hour, 54 degrees right here. And that's a little warmer than yesterday. 59 down in Lafayette. How much warmer? 11 degrees warmer. So we had the frost yesterday morning. Today it was not frosty. It was warmer. It's still comfortable out there. And it looks like we are going to, again, see a beautiful day for today. Those winds about, gusting. These are the gusts, so this is not your sustained wind. It's going to pick up a little in the afternoon to around 15, maybe a little bit more overnight, but to start off the day, things are looking pretty calm and tranquil out there, so no big problems. Moisture starts to return. That's going to flow into that system. It's going to bring us some thunderstorms late tomorrow into Monday, but for today, low 80s. I think we're totally sunny out there, and again, for those events that are going on through tomorrow, I don't think it's going to be terrible. Here's why. We have the moisture kind of coming back up, so if we were to see a storm fire, it could be a little rough out there, but I don't think we're going to. So, that kind of helps matters. But then in the evening, late evening into the overnight, we're going to see those thunderstorms sagging southward along that front. And that front's going to take its time to roll through. By 1 p.m., this is the GFS. It still has it over the southern half of the area and just kind of washes out down there. Maybe another round of a little rain on Wednesday. This one, it's more iffy. And then toward the weekend, of course, that's when we get another shot for showers and storms out there. And we'll be watching that. Here's what the HRRR does. If we want to take a closer look on this, you can see again those little elements coming in for tomorrow. Maybe an isolated storm in the afternoon, but I think the main show is going to be along this front. And even along that, you can see that this is not going to be one of those things that's going to be this widespread heavy rainfall. Now, that front's going to take a little while to come through. So I think most of us do see rain, and a few of us will see some severe weather. Remember, this goes until 6 a.m. on Monday, so that's something I don't mention all the time. Actually, with the time change, it's 7 a.m. on Monday. So slight risk for the northern quarter of the area, marginal risk for the rest of this, and the reason this was lifted to the north is because of the slower nature of this system. Now, on Monday, we still have that marginal risk down to the southeast, and if these slower models went out, I could see that pulled back a little to the north, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. But again, it's mainly that window from late Sunday afternoon into early Monday that we're going to see that potential for some rain and possibly a few severe storms. And then through Friday, we have a couple of events in here, 1 to 2 inches of rain, pretty much likely across the area. We had those red flag warnings, so I think rain's still a good thing out there. I know summer's trying to get out in the fields and put some stuff in the ground here, and with the freezes probably most likely done for the year, I think the tender vegetation is going to be okay, and farmers, they all know what they're doing, so I'm not worried about them. Mid 70s to low 80s for the next week. We have scattered storms late Sunday into Monday, 90% chance overall. Another round on Friday. No rain chances in on Wednesday yet. That's the GFS is kind of on an island, really showing a decent chance for that. So we're going to be watching closely. But as of now, we're just going mostly cloudy, going to kind of beef up the clouds, and we're going to keep the warm air in the forecast through that first week of April. It doesn't look like anything too crazy going on in that window, but again, we've seen some changes on how things are evolving next week. We'll have to see what that Wednesday system does, but as of now, it does look like we'll see some showers and storms in the area. I forgot to hit record. I got 3 records right here. It says it all over. All right, I'm going to go. I'm going to record, act like it was live, and I'll add that to the 24-hour channel. I will see you guys back here tomorrow when hopefully I have it together a bit.